Let's use SS remote. Now we have package of dual color light bar and 4 ports. It's well wide. Power supply. Turn on the light bar. Turn on the ports. Use SS remote to control. SS remote means you can select a separate control the light bar and ports. The left row is for light bars. The right row is for ports. Button D is a switch button. After long pressing button D, you can change to select a separate channels. Now let's turn on the lights. It's on the separate channel. Only control the light bar. A is turn on, turn off. Turn on. B is scenic buttons. C is strobe buttons. D is solid buttons. Turn off the light bar. Turn on the ports. Strobe, solid buttons. Turn off the light ports. If you want scenic, control the light bar and ports. Long pressing D. Now turn on.